Advantages of the double speed chain. 1. The chain runs at a low speed, and the tooling plate and the conveyed material can obtain a moving speed that is twice higher than the chain speed, so as to maintain high conveying efficiency at the same time, but also make the chain work smoothly, low noise, low wear and tear, and long service life. Point 2. Because there is friction transmission between the tooling plate and the roller, the possible slip difference between them can be used to make the tooling plate stay in a certain position when the chain advances at the original speed, so as to control the beat of material conveying. Due to the rolling friction between the tooling plate and the rollers, the chain is protected. Point 3. The weight and service life of the chain are better than that of the roller conveyor chain with horizontal wing plate and slat, and the whole conveying device is light and fast. The double-speed chain conveyor is mainly used for material transportation in the assembly and processing production line, and its conveying principle is to use the speed-increasing function of the double-speed chain to make the tooling board supporting the goods run quickly and stop at the corresponding operating station through the blocker, or through the corresponding instructions to complete the accumulation action and transfer, transposition, line transfer, and other functions. Because the tooling board for transporting goods needs to be used repeatedly, the double-speed chain conveyor is rarely used alone, but with various special machines such as jacking and translation machines, jacking rotary machines, return board lifts, etc., to form a horizontal or vertical circulation system. It uses a special, surface-treated extruded aluminum alloy profile as a guide rail, so that the self-flowing conveying system has very good stability and durability in the conveying process and is suitable for large-scale continuous production of products. At the same time, the flexible and versatile design of the self-flowing conveyor system makes it versatile. The double-speed conveyor line is mainly used in small and medium-sized complete sets of assembly, testing, aging, and transportation, and fixtures can be installed on the tooling board to meet the assembly needs of the workpiece. It is widely used in the assembly, testing, and debugging of small and medium-sized household appliances, computer monitor production line, computer host production line, notebook computer assembly line, air conditioning production line, TV assembly line, microwave oven assembly line, printer assembly line, fax machine assembly line, audio amplifier production line, etc.